Hi, this is Shay, and this is my monthly presentation. Sorry if my voice seems a little raspy. I'm coming off the cold with a little bit of strep throat, but I should be able to make it through. This month I was able to finish the Hello World program for Android Studio, and this month I did a lot of research, so I don't have much to show you. It was more of me learning the features in Android Studio. Like, for example, if you see on the screen Android background, that has a number, and then there's a bunch of letters and numbers in there. That is like the color, for example, or like where it says 16dp, that's like the size font, or like the Android text. Obviously, it'll say what you want to say. So I wanted to say hello, welcome to Android Studio. So even though this program doesn't do much, it was able to give me major insight into doing future programs. The next project I got done with this month was this flowchart. Well, my mentor originally suggested the plan of making a flowchart, and this was what my idea of a flowchart was. Unfortunately, this is not what she had in mind. We'll see that later, but I now have a plan. So this is basically the outline of my project. I want to have like different menus in my app. So I want to have create a drop down menu with diagnosis. So it'll be like a question and answer type diagnosis. So the user will be able to select and yes or no to the questions that require to them. And because I know I am on time restraints, I know I'm not going to be able to get to all of these. That's why I put the first priority, second priority, and third priority. And it just gives me an idea of what I am and not able to accomplish. And then so after further research, this is what an actual flowchart looks like. I don't know if you guys remember, but in 9th grade we did a little bit of the elevator stuff, and we had to use a program that looked kind of like this, where you had to have a decision, then you have to have two arrows, yes and a no, then it'll do an action. Well, this is basically what my app is going to look like. Sorry, it's kind of small. I wanted to get the full thing in there. But, so basically, I wanted to have my app to start off with, has the player ever been injured? And it'll be yes or no, and I'll set a flag. If I get far enough in my project, I will have the app come back to the information. But right now, I'm just having a basis. So after it sets a flag, it'll start down to my questions. And so that's why it says if it's a previous incident or a recent incident, it'll go down to a different set of questions. And for every yes or every no answer, for every yes answer, it'll count the amount of flags. At the ending, I haven't found out a right number yet, but for as many yeses, it'll be diagnosed as concussion, or as many no's, it will be not diagnosed as concussion. That again will come with further research, and I'm not at that point yet. Yeah, but this is basically the flowchart for my app, and this is kind of like a general design. As time goes on, it'll get more and more complex, and that'll do more and more functions in my app. But as of right now, this is what I got. And I'm sorry for the little presentation I have. There's not much for me to show. I did a lot of research this month, more on like symptoms and like what questions I can do, and like what a flowchart is, what all the stuff in Android Studio is. So I really did accomplish a lot. It was just I don't have much to show you. But thank you for listening to my presentation, and if you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you.